If you're currently doing 100 crunches a day or starving yourself on cleanses to lose belly fat, you are fighting a losing battle. Science shows that spot reduction is a myth, and most belly fat hacks actually slow down your metabolism. Today, we're cutting through the noise. We're not talking about another quick fix or a trendy detox. We're diving deep into the science to reveal what genuinely works, and more importantly, what the #1 method to lose belly fat truly is, according to research. And spoiler alert, it might not be what you think. First, let's understand why belly fat is such a big deal, beyond just how our clothes fit. We're talking specifically about visceral fat, the kind that wraps around your organs deep inside your abdomen. This isn't just cosmetic. High levels of visceral fat are strongly linked to serious health issues like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, certain cancers, and even dementia. It's metabolically active, releasing inflammatory compounds and hormones that wreak havoc on your body. So reducing it isn't just about looking good, it's about safeguarding your health. Before we get to the solution, let's bust a few myths. Myth 1. Spot reduction. You can't just do 1,000 crunches and expect to melt fat off your belly. Your body decides where to lose fat from first, not you. Myth 2. Restrictive diets are key. While diet is crucial, extreme restriction often leads to rebound weight gain and isn't sustainable. Myth 3. It's all about cardio. While cardio is great for overall health, it's often not the most efficient tool for direct belly fat loss, especially when compared to, well, you'll see. So, drum roll please. Based on a mountain of scientific evidence, from clinical trials to meta-analyses, the single most effective method to target and lose stubborn belly fat is resistance training, combined with a calorie deficit. Wait, what? Not cardio? Not some new superfood? Nope. Let me explain why resistance training is so powerful, especially for visceral fat. When you lift weights, whether it's dumbbells, barbells, resistance bands, or even just your own body weight, you're doing a few incredible things for your body. 1. Builds muscle mass. Muscle is metabolically active tissue. The more muscle you have, the more calories your body burns at rest. This is called your basal metabolic rate, or BMR. A higher BMR means you're burning more fat even when you're doing nothing. 2. Improves insulin sensitivity. Studies consistently show that resistance training significantly improves your body's sensitivity to insulin. Poor insulin sensitivity is a major driver of visceral fat accumulation. By making your cells more responsive to insulin, your body becomes much better at handling glucose and storing less of it as fat, particularly around your midsection. 3. Hormonal optimization. Resistance training can positively influence hormones related to fat storage and metabolism, such as growth hormone and testosterone, in both men and women, which play a role in fat loss and muscle preservation. 4. The afterburn effect, or EPOC. After an intense weightlifting session, your body continues to burn extra calories for hours, sometimes even days, as it recovers and repairs muscle tissue. This is known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, or EPOC.
So, you're not just burning calories during your workout, you're turning your body into a more efficient fat-burning machine all the time. Now, here's the crucial partner to resistance training: a consistent calorie deficit. You simply cannot lose fat if you're eating more calories than your body burns. Resistance training helps by increasing the burn side of the equation, making that deficit easier to achieve and maintain. This doesn't mean starvation. It means making smarter food choices, focusing on whole, unprocessed foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fiber from fruits and vegetables. These foods keep you full and satisfied on fewer calories. Combine this intelligent eating with your resistance training, and you have a powerhouse strategy for melting away belly fat. So, how do you actually implement this? 1. Start lifting. Aim for 2 to 4 full-body resistance training sessions per week. If you're new, consider hiring a certified personal trainer for a few sessions to learn proper form. You can start with bodyweight exercises at home or use free weights and machines at a gym. 2. Prioritize protein. Ensure you're getting adequate protein in your diet. It's crucial for muscle repair and growth, and it's incredibly satiating. 3. Mindful eating. Pay attention to portion sizes and choose nutrient-dense foods. Don't completely ban your favorite treats, but enjoy them in moderation. 4. Don't forget lifestyle factors. While resistance training and diet are number one, don't underestimate the power of good sleep and stress management. Poor sleep and high stress levels can increase cortisol, a hormone that promotes belly fat storage. Remember, consistency is key. This isn't a race, it's a sustainable lifestyle change. You'll not only lose belly fat, but also gain strength, improve your overall health, and feel incredible. Finally, there you have it, the science-backed #1 method to truly tackle belly fat. Stop with the endless crunches and start incorporating resistance training into your routine today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more science-based health tips, and let me know in the comments below what your biggest challenge with belly fat has been. We love hearing from you.